Hello everyone, and this is Daniel from Onboardbase. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use the latest feature, which is Onboardbase Tunnel in your project. So Onboardbase Tunnel is used to expose your local server to the world. So basically, if you are building a project locally and you want to share that project to your friends, you want to share it to your co-workers and the rest. So you can use Onboardbase to generate a URL that you can send to your co-workers and friends so they can help you test your project. So stay with me and let's dive right into it. So for this project, I have created a bootstrap template for actually just running the server, and we are going to use Onboardbase Tunnels to share it. So what I have here is I created a file called tunnels.html. I'm actually using a HTML project for this video. So and I'm using Bootstrap 5.1.3 for it, and yeah, also I'm using 5server to run the local server for this project, which will make me run it in the browser locally. So if I'm to run it in the browser locally, I'm going to use the port provided by 5server. So yeah, I think 5server port here is localhost port 5555, right? So you can use any server using to run your project. So here I can see the output here, which is tunnel. It's just a basic bootstrap project that actually gives an output of tunnels. So how can we integrate Onboardbase in this project? So firstly, the requirement for integrating Onboardbase and using Onboardbase as a tunnel to run tunnels in this project is having Onboardbase installed. So if you don't have Onboardbase installed, you can check our past videos on how to install Onboardbase into your project. And also you need to have an account with us for you to be able to continue. So after doing all those processes, so you can actually just create a new terminal and make sure your old server is running fine. So I'm using 5server to run my own server and it's still on. So for me to run this project as Onboardbase Tunnel, so I need to head to the documentation first. So in the documentation, you're going to see the steps on how to run it. So we can see the notes here. You can actually read through them, and you can also see a command that you can use to run it. So let me copy this demo command here and use it in my project. So once I paste it in there, so the port 5server is using is actually 5555. So you have to use the port that your server is running on, not a port that your server is not running on. So it will be 5555, right? And the -s is actually subdomain name. So I want to give the subdomain name as boot. So you can actually see the command is Onboardbase Tunnels, then create -p, which is the port, and -s, which is subdomain. So if you check the documentation, you are going to see all those here. So -o is for open. Yeah. So once you run this, it will give an output. So it said warning, update version 1.5.6 to 1.5.9. So I will update that after the video, but it doesn't matter. As far as you have version 1.5, you can run Onboardbase Tunnel. So it has already generated my URL for me, and you can see it is https boot.tunnels.onboardbase.com. So the boot is actually the subdomain name we gave our project. So once I click on this, you can see it gives us the same output as the local server. So you can actually share this to your friends online for them to check out your project, and without you hosting it on any cloud platform like AWS or other platform like Google. So basically that's how Onboardbase Tunnel work. If you have any problem, you can actually reach out to me on our Discord channel, and also you can also follow us on Twitter and raise your issue there. And also in the comment section, you can actually raise your issue so we can look into it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Peace.